so hard.
I know, right? There's so much to memorize.
I have no idea what the Kelvin cycle is. There's a difference between light-dependent and light-independent reactions.
No? What's that? It must involve light or something.
I don't know what's going on in this test.
Do you even know what photosynthesis is?
No. But let's just try and remember what Dr. Sulek said.
Yeah. Let's just focus. My name is Dr. Sulek 2.0, as you can see. Words of our unit today is photosynthesis.
Photosystem 1 and 2, NADPH, FADH2, photophosphorylation, fermentation started by cause chlorophyll dicholine. As you know here, there are two stages of photosynthesis. It is the light reactions and the dark reactions. The whole process begins when the photons, the light strikes the leaf, which activates the chlorophyll, and it excites
Down to a series of electron carriers, ultimately processing ATP and NADPH, and both of these products, along with carbon dioxide, are then used into the dark reactions.
down here, and it gets released.
Now, I know, Dr. Sulek, why are you making me learn all this on a Friday? I get it. But this is just one last thing you need to add. Also remember the formula. Make sure this is on your notes because it will be on the test.
Okay, so 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O leads to C6H12O6 plus 6O2.
Photosynthesis is. So it is the process by which plants uses energy, or ATP,
From the sun to make sugar. And in light-dependent reactions, pretty much the sunlight is absorbed and it does its job, and it splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. And in light-independent, sugar is made in the Calvin-Benson cycle, using energy from ATP and NADPH, and the carbon from CO2. So, overall, plants and algae are producers, and they use the sun to make
glucose, which is necessary for life. So now, you know what? We're gonna watch a video with the Amiibo sisters. Let me show you the video. Sometimes the simple videos, they just make sense a lot more easier. But you know what? I get it. Sometimes this sounds okay. Cue the music. I wish I knew photosynthesis, but then I listened to what Dr. Sulek said. These plants need to survive. Now to stay alive, they need some molecules. Let's begin with the light reactions. Please remember it's found in a thylakoid, to be specific, the stroma and grana. Let's keep learning. We see the sunlight hit the bright leaves, reflecting, causing the reaction. And now that H2O divides, photosynthesis is possible, thrilling the electrons, traveling to photosystem 2. Now we are at the transport chain, letting out ATP, like a car going down a hill. Oh, the ETC transfers electrons. The E's move to photosystem 1. Now we're gonna get hydrogens. We're done when light strikes PS1. Dr. Sulek said electrons have energy, but I realize it does not end here. We need to create NADPH. Keep learning. We see the light hit the bright leaves, reflecting, causing the reaction. And now that H2O divides, photosynthesis is possible. Applying ATP synthase, dispersing hydrogens come to aid. Now that we created energy, every plant is cheerful. Calvin cycle then got to form that sugar. Calvin cycle then not trying to end up dead. Calvin cycle then include that CO2. Calvin cycle then to the ribose biphosphate. Calvin cycle then gotta use that OBPcase. Calvin cycle then to create that phosphoglycerate. Calvin cycle then the molecules unsteady, molecules not sturdy. We see it divide into 3 C's. Dynamic becoming more sturdy. And now that the molecule bends, we create a glucose half, catching a glyceride phosphate, reusing the 5 molecules. Once the cycle turned twice, possessing a full glucose as well. Do you know photosynthesis? It's all about that sugar. Do you know photosynthesis? It's all about that sugar.